For most seasoned gardeners and landscapers, an essential machine in their equipment arsenal is a professional-grade rototiller for breaking ground and loosening up hardened soil to make it easier for plant roots to grow and flourish. The Oric Gardenquake is a commercial-grade rear-tine garden tiller that can take on the abuses of routine use and will produce the expected results from the gardens you grow and manage. The Gardenquake is powered by a 5.5 horsepower Honda GX200 engine. It has 2 forward and 1 reverse speed, with its top speed of just under 3 miles per hour for quick transporting of the machinery on the job site. The Gardenquake has an ideal tilling width of 19.7 inches. Its 12 forward rotating tines not only do a fabulous job breaking ground, but they break the soil into fine clumps. The Gardenquake has been designed to make garden tilling fast, easy, and effort-free. We've given this machine rough terrain tires with deep tread to keep it moving through mud and rough ground. In order to make it even more steady, simply shift the Gardenquake's differential lock to get the wheels moving in tandem in one direction. Professionals need equipment that they can rely on to do the job right, using less time and energy of their crew. The Gardenquake is the perfect blend of compact design and the user-friendly features you'd expect from a commercial-grade rear-tine garden tiller.